TOEFL Speaking Task 3 Breakdown. Dive into integrated speaking. Hello, learners. Welcome to another episode on TOEFL preparation. Today, we're diving deep into the waters of the TOEFL speaking section. We're focusing specifically on Task 3, integrated speaking, listening. By the end of this session, you'll have a clearer understanding of this task and strategies to tackle it. TOEFL Speaking Task 3 is an integrated task, which means you'll be using more than one skill. In this case, you will listen to a short conversation or lecture and then speak about it. The whole task aims to test how well you can grasp information from a listening source and communicate about it in spoken English. For Task 3, you'll be provided with a brief reading passage, usually a campus announcement or notice. You'll have 45 seconds to read this passage. This will be followed by a short conversation between two people discussing the reading passage's content, usually between a student and a professor or between two students. Your goal? You need to summarize the conversation, focusing on the main points and details. You'll be particularly noting how the speakers feel about the points made in the reading passage. Once the conversation is over, you'll have 30 seconds to prepare and then 60 seconds to give your response. 1. Take notes. While the conversation is playing, jot down the main points and any details you think are crucial. This will aid you when formulating your spoken response. 2. Practice summarizing. Time is of the essence in this task. Learn to pick out the most important elements of a conversation quickly. Be concise but comprehensive. 3. Speak clearly. Your pronunciation and fluency play a key role. Always prioritize clarity over trying to use complex vocabulary. 4. Stay calm. It's natural to feel a bit overwhelmed since there's a lot happening in a short time. The key is to remain calm and remember that practice makes perfect. And there we have it. The key aspects of TOEFL Speaking Task 3 laid out for you. Remember, preparation is paramount. So keep practicing, keep refining, and keep improving. I hope this video has shed some light on the task and has armed you with strategies to conquer it. Happy studying, and I'll see you in the next video.